Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make deviled eggs in islands. First, ensure you have 3 eggs, a bowl, and a pot ready in your inventory. Next, place your pot on a heat source, like a campfire or stove, and wait for it to heat up. Once the water is boiling, carefully add the 3 eggs to the pot and let them cook for a short period until they are hard-boiled. After the eggs are cooked, remove them from the pot and let them cool slightly. Then, gently peel the shells off each egg. Slice each egg in half lengthwise and carefully scoop out the bright yellow yolks into your bowl. Use a fork to mash these yolks completely until they form a smooth, crumbly mixture, ready for the next steps. Now it's time to add some flavor to your mashed yolks. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise to the bowl. Then, incorporate 1 teaspoon of mustard for that classic deviled egg tang. Finally, sprinkle in a pinch of salt and pepper to your liking. Mix all these ingredients together thoroughly until the filling is creamy and well combined. With your filling perfectly mixed, it's time to assemble your deviled eggs. Carefully spoon the creamy yolk mixture back into the hollowed-out egg white halves. You can use a small spoon or even a piping bag for a neater presentation. For a final touch, sprinkle a bit of paprika over each egg. Your homemade deviled eggs are now complete and ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.